Hey everybody, welcome back to day number 6 of this 10-day course. Today we will learn how to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star on guitar.
Guitar for Kids with David Aldridge.
How cool is the backdrop today? It is very futuristic and I hope you're loving it. Now, we are learning the notes. Remember to go at your own speed. It's not a race. You can take notes, pause, and re-watch the video as often as you like. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to the channel. And if this video is helping you, hit the like button. You are helping to support future videos like this and grow a community of people just like you who feel like they matter. You can access all 10 training videos in the description, and I recommend re-watching them as many times as you need to. Now it's time to play along with me if you can. If it feels too fast for you, go and practice step 2 a little more and then return to step 3.
Have you ever struggled to learn guitar? We are here to help you find your fun and power your confidence. Guitar Star in 30 Days is a fun-filled guide to learning guitar for children 6+, packed with challenges, facts and quizzes to make kids smile. So, get involved, get creative, and remember, you're amazing! Take your Guitar Star in 30 Days challenge today by visiting davidguitarcoach.co.uk. See you in class! Let your light shine!
Remember, you have come so much further than you were before. Maybe you went backwards a little bit, but you learn not to go backwards. And where you made a mistake, and now you can move forwards with confidence. You are still in this course, and I do honor you for that. You are somebody who got further. If you took the time out of your day to learn how to play the guitar, you should celebrate that. You deserve a double high five. You did that. Here's what to do at the end of today's lesson. Practice all 3 steps until you master them. Remember, only practicing it once won't get you there. We must practice it many times before it sticks. When we are consistent in our learning, we grow in confidence and self-belief. Remember, you have what it takes to achieve your dreams. One of my greatest memories from my childhood is sharing music and joy with my family. Playing the guitar with my dad created an even greater connection, that father-son relationship. And I feel this now with my son, who is also learning to play the guitar.